Hey there, and welcome to the setup and installation video for the Analytica Chart 4. We're really excited to bring this to you guys, and I think that this video will keep it super concise, super easy to follow. Feel free to pause at any point if you need to. So all I'm doing here is going through the Tools, Import, and NinjaScript add-on to get to my software, which I will add by opening it. Now I'm getting this pop-up because I already have it on my device, but in your case, you're just going to want to hit yes and then restart the NinjaTrader chart that you have so that it can actually take effect once you start it. So now I'm going to connect to the workspace and then actually open a new chart here. So select chart. We're going to be selecting ES0323, the current contract. Make sure that you're on a range type chart with a 15 value. Tick replay actually checked, and then your days to load 3 or less for optimal results. Now we're just going to let this load really quickly here, load it up perfectly. So now we're going to hit the indicator tab, Futures Analytica dropdown, and the Analytica file itself. Now that we have the Analytica Chart 4, we have these new setting interface. This whole thing is broken down in the guidebook for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it easy and just hit all of the new features so that what you're looking at the end is the plus version, the full Analytica Chart 4. But like I said, all of these settings are going to be in the guidebook for your review. You can go through and make sure all of your settings line up perfectly. So apply that, hit OK, and then we're just going to let that recalculate super quickly, and it'll pop up here. Now that it's popped up, you're just going to want to see the new interface here. It's pretty easy to follow. It's very user-friendly. When you zoom in like so, you see the values pop back into the order flow. We have point of control, some other volumetric information that's super helpful. Like I said, you can read about all of these features in the guidebook. Obviously, the delta's down there for you and everything like that. And if you zoom out, it actually becomes a regular candlestick chart, which can be super helpful if you're trading multiple different strategy types. And so feel free to check out the guidebook. We really implore you to do so. And hopefully this video was great. Good luck.